Greetings party peeps and welcome to my YouTube channel. Bit of a different video this time around. We're not talking trains or video games or pro wrestling or radio. We're talking something else that is quite near and dear to my heart, and that is a Streets Vienetta. Now, in the past week, past 7 days, I've been inundated with people tagging me about the new Streets, well, the new Coles Mini Vienetta thingy. So, I thought I'd give it a bit of a crack and a taste test. Now, all in all, this doesn't fill me with too much confidence, but it does say mini on there, so, oh dear lord, oh my. So, it does what it says on the tin. It is a Mini Vienetta, which is kind of cool, but it really is mini. So, that's actually really good. They've nailed it. Coles, you magnificent bastard. This is fantastic. Yeah, I know the sizes. I highly recommend this. This is so good. This was just $5 at Coles, or something along those lines, but really, really good. Thank you to everyone that tagged me in this. Go for it, get amongst it, and yeah, thanks for watching. This is really good.